Welcome! Today, we will build an entity relationship diagram from scratch. We will cover identifying entities, detailing attributes, establishing connections, and understanding database cardinality. Designing a database follows a structured process. First, we identify key real-world entities. Next, we list their descriptive attributes. Finally, we establish relationships between them to define structural rules. Let's start with a concrete example. An employee is a strong entity. We represent entities as rectangles. Every employee has unique attributes, like an ID, which is our primary key, and a name. Next, we add another entity, department. To link them, we draw a diamond representing the relationship works for. This diamond connects our employees directly to their respective departments. Now, we define cardinality constraints. An employee works for exactly one department, but a department can house many employees. We annotate this relationship with a many-to-one or n-to-one cardinality marker, protecting database integrity. To summarize, building ER diagrams requires 3 clean steps: identifying entities, mapping their key attributes, and enforcing correct cardinality constraints. Use these steps to model highly efficient, error-free databases.